So what did you just have a meltdown over?
My damn screwdrivers are not where I left them, and I cannot find my camera because I can't shoot any videos.
And you lost your camera in Mississippi.
And yes, and that camera's gone. Apparently the same place that your Pandora bracelet and the keys to the RVs went.
The black hole of the move.
Yes.
Yeah.
Every time something gets lost in the move, it's...
come here.
You know, take a drink.
Okay. So, hey, come here. So, I'm horrible at keeping secrets, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to, keep this secret from you.
What have you done? What have you done?
Merry Christmas. You open it.
One moment.
You interrupted my bathroom experience, and I figure if it's that important, then it's worth giving it to you now. So it's 12 days early.
Well, it's like the first or second day of Hanukkah.
It is hot, yeah, but according to
can we be honorary Jews?
My Bialik, how do you say her last name?
Bialik?
Blossom, Sheldon, Amy, she says that presents aren't a required.
This is like a $1,200 camera, dear. What have you done?
I have my ways.
This is a Sony NX-100. This is the one that I've been looking at for like a year.
I know. You know what I had to do to find out which model it was? I had to scroll through the history of all the videos that we watched. Because remember, it's been a while since you watched a video about it.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
I'm never going to get the money to spend $1,200 on a camera.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
Well, thank you, dear. So, you got me the camera that I've been wanting, and I'm getting you your hope chest back.
Yes, you are.
It's the best Christmas ever.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come.
Well, this is a straight up legit good camera. I mean, short of being for my purposes, and really for almost anyone else's purposes, this is about all you'll ever need. You know, unless you are a straight up professional.
Okay, so this is the deal. You gotta make a viral video.
No, I am not making a viral video.
Why not?
Because I don't want that kind of attention.
Okay, I mean, never mind.
You know, you want all those weird people out there
knowing who you are?
Knowing who I am?
That's true.
I got enough weirdos in my life as it is. I married one of them. Okay? And that mistake, I'm never going to be able to live down.
Wait. What'd you say?
Nothing.
Mistake?
No.
What? This is the best decision you ever made, boy.
Yes, dear. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, love.
Does this make up for the seat cushion that I bought you for your 40th birthday?
Yes, it does. That damn seat cushion. Do you know where that seat cushion is?
I have no idea.
I'm pretty sure we threw it away because no way in hell am I take my. Oh, let me pack this seat cushion.
Bring it from Mississippi.
I want to make sure that we get that. Screw the hope chest.
Well, you had just had back surgery. I bought it off of QVC.
See what I got to put up with. Thank you, love.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. That was wildly extravagant. What have you done? Oh my God.
You've been a good boy.
I have been a good boy. I don't know if I've been that good though.
Hey, this is one of your hobbies. You love to make videos.
I do love to make videos.
And so, you know, it got lost in the black hole of the move. What's your heart rate?
82. But...
Oh, okay. So you're not that excited.
Well, let's just say how excited I am isn't going to show the watch.